In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove white background here in Canva. So I have this image just here, and as you can see, it has a white background. Now, unfortunately, what we're about to do can only be done with a Canva Pro account. If you have a free account, just be aware that you can't actually do this. But nonetheless, if I want to remove the white background, we simply click onto the image, and then we can use BG Remover just here. Now we know this is a Canva Pro feature because it has a little crown icon next to it. But if we click on there, we give it a second, you can now see that the white background has been removed. Now another way to do this, let's just click on here, let's go back one, is to come over to the edit feature. Then we can come over here to Magic Studio, and you're also going to find background remover just here. And again, if we click on there, the background has now been removed. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.